Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making whole orange blender cake. Whole orange blender cake. This uses, you guessed it, an entire orange blended with the peel. This recipe stems from when I was working at Sunkist in California in the little sapling seedling department. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Please smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. And if you weren't aware, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Bing! And we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie. Bing! Available on Amazon. The links will be, of course, in the description below. I'm ready to make this whole orange blender cake. Let's get going.